Hello. This video is hopefully an informative video about dementia. You'll have to excuse me. It's 90 degrees out, 70% humidity, and I live in central Maine where we're used to 6 months of winter. So it's hot out. Anyway, today is June 12th, 2026. I lost my dad March 12th, 3 months ago. Right now, I'm providing 24/7 care for my mother, who's 93. She can hardly hear, hardly see, hardly walk without a walker. I hope that this video will help any individual who thinks that they're going to provide 24/7 care for their loved ones or friends without resources. I live in Piscataquis County, Maine, and there are very limited resources to take care of the elderly. There are some hospice programs that will provide hourly volunteers who come in, but they can't do any menial stuff like helping mom off the floor if she falls. They can only come and talk and all of that good stuff. Anyway, number one, as far as a person with dementia, at least in this case, maybe symptoms are different for everyone or individuals who have dementia. But in this case, one of the most important things that you need to know is that a person with dementia will absolutely lose all consideration for others. Their main priority in life is to have their needs taken care of. We can see that with our president who has dementia. He doesn't care about anyone else but himself. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. Number two, be prepared for forgetfulness. My mom will forget everything that's talked about and discussed in 5 minutes. So if you try to give them help with hygiene or something that they're not doing quite right, they will forget that. If you burn out and you express yourself with anger, they will forget that in 5 minutes. In my case, my mom was married to my dad 75 years, and my dad gave her everything that she wanted, took care of her until he was 98 years old. So she expects me to do everything. Another thing that you will experience is, in this case, sobbing. She sobs about dad and a dog that she lost a year and a half ago all the time. So be prepared for that. So if you're an individual that is thinking of taking over health care for a loved one or a friend who has dementia, be sure you have resources available. Here in Piscataquis County. A nursing home or assisted living will cost $8,500 a month. That's over $100,000 a year. If you're middle class or lower class, you won't be able to afford it. You'll have to sell your house and land and all your assets just to keep that individual in a nursing home or assisted living facility. So, to sum it all up, I would highly advise anyone who thinks that they're going to provide elderly care 24/7 to rethink it, or to have your ducks all lined in a row. Either have somebody that you know who can come in and spell you, because I've been doing it for 3 months now and I am just about burned out. I hope this helps you. If you can like and subscribe to my channel, it would help me a lot. Have a good day.